Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show weather in your calendar on the Fantastical application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on Settings in the left side column, which is the last button. Tap on the Weather option and tap on Show Weather. Then you should set your location. Click on Change Location and then type in the name of your town. And here it is set, so the application will use your location and the location of your upcoming events to provide you with relevant weather forecasts. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.